Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate video using elements from the September Paper Pumpkin Kit with love and gratitude. It is Throwback Thursday, so I am using the Splendid Thoughts stamp set, which I thought coordinated with the front of this journal very well. This journal is the add-on for this month, and it's gorgeous. It's got two great sticker sheets in it. But I'm going to use the stamps from the Splendid Thoughts set to decorate my journal page. I also had a request to use washi tape with some uses of the washi tape. So I am there's 3 ways to use washi tape in this journal. You can use the washi tape and section off areas of your journal. You can grid it off, you can do whatever you like with it. I'm also going to use it here to create gaps in my stamping. So I'm going to just take this one and I'm going to cut it in half, because you can buy narrower washi tape. I just don't happen to have any. So I'm just going to cut this in half, long ways, like that. And I'm going to lay these pieces right on the journal page in between the lines. So there we go. So first way is you can grid your page off, especially if you've got some gold washi tape. That would look so gorgeous in here. The second way is to use it to mask off areas you don't want to stamp. So I'm going to use Lost Lagoon. And one thing you need to remember is you've got this you've got the coiled edge here, so your stamp block is going to run into that. So I've got my stamp placed so that that's not going to be a problem. So I'm going to come in, stamp down, and then I'm going to do another one. And again, I have to be careful where I'm putting my stamp down because of that coiled edge. So I'm going to do 3 like that. And you can do as many as you want, as few as you want. I've run out of space to put things down. And I'm going to use the Moody Mauve. And I'm going to do the outline pieces just like this in here. Oops, I didn't stamp that all the way down. I'm going to have to, there we go. So I've doubled that up. So that one didn't work very well. I'm going to now triple it up by doing that. There we go. And I'm going to come in, make sure I've got that top corner inked up. Just come in like that and like this. So what I'm going to do now is, this is all I wanted, but I can do, if I want to, I can come down the bottom here, make sure my pages are all lined up, and I can stamp a couple of pieces just on the bottom of the page as well. And that looks really cute. I really like that, actually. So the magic of the washi tape is that now I can peel this up, and try not to touch the washi tape because it's wet with ink. So just tap that off to the side or right into the bin as soon as you can, but try not to touch it because you'll smudge ink off of it and get it all over your page. But see how now we've got these 2 kind of areas that don't have stamping in them? I'm going to take 2 of the greetings from the kit. One says thanks, and I'm going to pop this right in here. You could use to do, you can use whatever you like. And the other one is grateful for you, but I don't actually want to ink up the U. So third use of the washi tape is using it to block off lettering on the stamp that I don't want to use. So I've completely blanked that off, and I'm just going to put this in the ink. I'm going to ink a little bit onto the washi tape, but my intent is for not to ink it up. And then I'm just going to peel that off, and then I can pop this down right in my blank area there. Grateful for. So you can put your headings in, whatever you would like to do for headings, and pop those in. So thanks, maybe you have some thank you notes to write, or you want to acknowledge people. and then grateful for, and then you can write the things you're grateful for if you've got a to-do list, whatever you like. And because I think it's really cute, I'm just going to pop the little bumblebee in on the page in a couple of places, maybe one down here, just because I think the bumblebee's cute. If you chose to color it in, I would use pencil crayons, because the blends will go right through the page. The ink does go through the page a little bit, but it's not too bad. But that is how you can use stamps inside your journal to personalize it and make it your own. So thank you so much for watching this Throwback Thursday video using the journal, it was the add-on for the September Paper Pumpkin, and the Splendid Thoughts Retired Stamp Set. So stay tuned for another alternate.